Hello. Good morning, y'all. It is a beautiful, rainy day today. Ooh, look at the water. It's been raining for like the last 2 days. I just got done going to the gym. And here in a little bit, I am about to get to work. Yep. I don't want to. I need to win the lottery. I really do. If I did win the lottery, I wouldn't tell anybody. But I'm telling y'all right now, there would be clues. There would definitely be clues. So this week, I need to make a few phone calls, yell at a few people to find out some stuff. And work. That's pretty much it. I need to hop out of this vehicle and plug into power right now. I'm at the Love's RV stop right now. That's where I've been for the last couple of days. Funny thing is I recorded a week's worth of footage from last week, but I made the mistake of recording it all in like 5K. And right now, I do all my video editing on my phone. And my phone refuses to edit the 5K videos. So, a full week of stuff I can't use right now. And I can't edit because, my phone won't do it and my computer won't do it. So, yay. You guys didn't miss much, except for me being violently attacked by a cicada out here in Georgia. Yeah, man, they were everywhere. They were all over the fucking place. It was terrible. And they were loud as shit, too. Like, in the video that I recorded, you can definitely hear them, like, all the time, everywhere, all around me. You would think I was just sitting outside with them, but I wasn't. I was inside. I was chilling. But yeah, all that footage I can't use right now. One day I'll have a new laptop or a new phone, one of those two, and I'll be able to edit that video and I'll post it. But for right now, I can't. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Next week, I have a dental appointment, so I'll be in Savannah, Georgia for that. And after that, I have no idea what I'm doing. That remains to be seen. But for now, I need to hook up to power, take out the trash, because I failed to do that yesterday because it was raining. And it's still raining, but whatever. I'm going to get it done today. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the rain. That's what I'm doing. And watching it fall. And watching cars act a fool. And petting my cat. See? Oreo, where are you going? But alright, I'm going to get to it. Bye. Alright. So, I've worked long enough. Now it's time to get something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm a hungry little hippo. So, I'm gonna eat before I step outside to clean out my cassette toilet. Should have cleaned it out yesterday, but unfortunately there was a huge storm and I didn't want to go outside in the rain. Yeah, so I'm going to do that today. And I need to fill up my fresh water as well. So I'm going to do that after I eat. Went outside. Like, this is where I'm staying at. This is the RV spot. It's nice. Currently, there's nobody else here except for one other vehicle and myself. We're the only two people here right now. It's crazy. But it is what it is. And right now, they're cutting grass. So the windows are closed, so that way I don't have to hear all that noise. But yeah, I need to do something fun. I need to go be around people doing fun stuff, because I haven't done anything fun for a while. I've just been running around trying to get stuff fixed and get stuff done. Now I need to just have fun. Real fun with people. But my food is getting cold. I'm gonna eat and then shuffle outside to do chores. Yay! Alright. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. I am the old man, and I am inside. I want to be snoring. It's been a pretty uneventful week this week. Haven't been doing much of anything other than working and going to the gym. And this week is pretty much up. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is a travel day for me. I will be leaving from here and heading to Savannah, Georgia. I have an appointment there, and I'll be there for a week, and from there I have no idea where I'm going. It's probably going to lead to another appointment, but yeah, it's been an uneventful, boring week. But yeah, it's raining, it's pouring, and I'm inside wanting to snore. And I'm getting emails, of course. I'm still working, but I'm taking a break. Looking out the windows and everything else under the sun. I'm distracted by my cats. They're so pretty. And they're being annoying right now. But yeah, today is my last day here at the Love's RV stop. Right now it's just me and one other vehicle sitting here. It'll probably fill up overnight. But yeah, I still have a little more work to do. I'm taking a break. I need to get back to it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'm fresh and I'm clean. And now there's thunder and lightning outside. So for dinner tonight, crispy wings. These are extremely delicious. Especially this one right here, the sweet chipotle barbecue sauce. Yeah, it's really delicious. If you don't have an air fryer, what are you doing? Go get an air fryer and go get you some of these. They're delicious. So that's what's for dinner. That's kind of dirty. But that's what we got this for. Now, there's only, I don't even know how many wings are in here. I have no idea how many are in here, but I'm totally gonna kill this bag tonight. And when I go grocery shopping in the morning, I will try to get more of these. And if they don't have them, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. There's 10 wings. And 1 frozen sauce packet. Car. Bitch, I said over easy. Alright, so that's going to take a couple of minutes. So, I'm going to give you guys a break and let you live your lives. I'm so sorry. It's raining outside, and yeah, there's flashing lights, and I get distracted very easily. So, you guys go to the bathroom or something and come back in a few minutes. Behold the wings! This shall be my dinner tonight. I'm about to kill these wings and watch some TV. And that's going to be it for the night and it for the week. Because this is Friday and tomorrow's Saturday and tomorrow's groceries. And then getting on the road and moving on to the next location. Thank you so much for tuning in to these boring fucking chronicles right now. Everything is broken. I've just been running around trying to get stuff fixed, and yeah, it's been boring. I haven't done anything fun this year. Not yet anyways. But yeah, please like and subscribe and continue tuning in, and hopefully the van gets fixed one day. One of these days. Or one of these days I say fuck it and I just do something fun regardless. But that's it for me this week. I'll see you guys next week or another week or whenever I see you next. Bye.